Let's read a book with Teacher Clau. So, come on, let's start. Today we are gonna read Pipsie Nature Detective, The Lunch Napper. It was a wonderful day for a school trip. This is going to be the best school trip ever, Pipsie told her friend Alphonse, Turtle. Hurry, we are going on a nature scavenger hunt in the woods. Alfred hurry, S-L-O-W-L-Y, because that's how turtles hurry. Can't forget our peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Paisley loves scavenger hunts, especially nature scavenger hunts. After all, she was a nature detective. Pipsie and Alfred arrived just in time. Welcome, nature explorers, Ranger Nancy said. Are you ready for a real adventure? Yes, everyone cheered. Great, she said. Pick a nature buddy and let's get started. Pipsie picked Alfred naturally. Low five! Pipsie with twin friends Lexi and Max picked each other. Pixie's next door neighbor Bucky picked Dewey. Here's a list of 7 wonders of nature, said Ranger Nancy. If you find all 7, you'll win a prize. She gave each team a camera. Every time you see something on the list, take a picture. 7 wonders of nature. Number 1, an animal's home. Number 2, animal track. Number 3, a sign that an animal was here. Number 4, something crawling. Number 5, something flying. Number 6, something swimming. And number 7, your favorite wonder. Your body is a turtle? Dury laughed. The turtles are so slow. A turtle is a terrible partner. Pipsie squalled. Sometimes Dewey could be rude. Alfred is the perfect partner. He's clever and fun, and he knows all about nature. Plus, he rides a scooter better than everyone I know. Nature scavenger hunters, when you hear the whistle, the hunt is over, Ranger Nancy said. Ready, set, get going. Come on, Alfred. It's time to find our 7 wonders of nature, Pipsie said. Pipsie started for the woods and stopped. Alfred, what's our lunch? It was here just a minute ago. Now it's gone. Looks like we have a lunch napper. Looks like we have a nature hunt and a mystery to solve, Pipsie said. What could be better than that? Grubby, but not lunch. After Alfred looked down on the ground, he saw something crawling. Something crawling! That's excellent, said Pipsie. That's number 4 on our list. Pipsie looked up to the treetop. Look, Alfred, a bird's nest hole. We found number 1 of the list. 2, an animal's home. Nice, but still not lunch. Tap, tap, tap. Pipsie and Alfred heard a noise. Alfred, that's a clue, Pipsie said. The tapping tells us what kind of bird made the nest. And there he is, Pipsie said. A woodpecker. Something flying. Woo-wee! We've found 3 things already. Grumble-rumble-E. Grumble rumble. What's that noise? Pipsie asked. That's a clue that someone needs to eat. It was Alfred's stomach. He was getting hungry. Pipsie was getting hungry too. Let's go back to the rock and look for clues to find our lunch, she said. Pipsie and Alfred searched high and low and round and round. Suddenly, Pipsie heard Alfred cry out, "Owie, zowie!" Oh no! Something was stuck in Alfred's foot. "Let me see. That could be a clue," Pipsie said. It was a porcupine quail. Was the porcupine the lunch thief? Porcupines are nocturnal. That means they only come out at night, Pipsie said. So no thief, but you found a sign that an animal was here. Alfred pointed to footprints on the ground. He thought they were Dewey's. Was Dewey the lunch thief? Those aren't Dewey's footprints, Pipsie told Alfred. There are deer tracks. And there are the deers. We just found number 2 on the list. Animal tracks, Pipsie said. They walked deeper into the woods, looking for lunch clues. Before long, they saw Buckley and Dewey with a lunch bag that looked just like theirs. They are the lunch nabbers. Dewey reached into the bag and took out a hot dog. Nope, no their lunch. You call hot dogs. Over there, Pipsie shouted. More animal tracks. It looks like the animal was dragging something. Maybe it's our lunch. Let's make this mystery history. They followed the tracks toward the sound of a G-U-R-G-L-I-N-G stream, the gurgling stream. Beavers, Pipsie said. I don't think they stole our lunch. Beavers mostly eat trees and plants, and they weren't dragging our lunch. Those are the marks their big flat tails make when they walk. Pipsie and Alpha still hadn't found their lunch, but they had found number 6, something swimming. Good news, Alfred. We just need a picture number 7, our favorite wonder, and then we'll have everything on the list. But Alfred looked sad. Even his shelf dropped a little. Their lunch was still missing. Don't give up, Alfred. Without a doubt, we'll figure this one out. Pipsie opened her detective notebook and wrote down the facts. I wish I had wings. Alfred flapped his arms. He wished he could fly. Then he'll be able to look down and see who took their lunch. Pipsie jumped out. Alfred, that's it. You just gave me a big clue. I have a hunch who took our lunch, and I know how to prove it. Pipsie looked at their pictures carefully. Yes, I'm right. The lunch thief is... Ranger Nancy blew her whistle. The scavenger hunt was over. They didn't find a picture of the favorite wonder. Alfred Shed had a terrible case of droppies now. Don't worry, Alfred, Pipsie says. We do have everything we need. You'll see. Everyone gathered around Ranger Nancy. Dewey and Bucky didn't have something swimming, but Lexi and Matt had pictures of everything. We have everything too, Pipsie chimed in. A bird's nest, deer tracks, porcupine quill, a worm crawling, a woodpecker flying, beaver swimming, Pipsie smiled. And there's a picture of our favorite wonder of nature, with a thief who took our lunch. Our favorite wonder of nature is Alfred, Pipsie said. And there's a lunch thief behind him. A crow! Our lunch flew away. Good work, Pipsie, Ranger Nancy said. But Alfred can't be your favorite wonder because he was on your team. The winners are Lexi and Max. It's okay, Alfred, said Pipsie. This was still the best school trip ever. We'll solve the mystery and you'll steal my favorite wonder of nature. Case closed. Now let's find something to eat. The lunch number mystery is history.
¿Te gustó esta lectura? Pues dale like y suscríbete al canal. Recuerda que tienes una lista de reproducción donde encontrarás más de 200 lecturas para practicar el idioma inglés. También tenemos otras listas de reproducción como vocabulario, tiempos verbales, phrasal verbs y demás. Así que hazle clic en la campanita para que no se te olvide ninguna notificación que yo haga. Ahora, si quieres clases de inglés con Teacher Clau, pues entra a www.teacherclau.com y encontrarás todos mis cursos. Así que nos vemos muy pronto.